Hello friends, today's topic is short biography of Mahatma Gandhi. However, the same can be used as a speech as well as for writing the project. So let us begin. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, popularly known as Mahatma Gandhi, was one of the most influential, popular political and spiritual leaders of India. Mahatma Gandhi, Father of India, also known as Bapu, birth anniversary is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti in India and worldwide as International Day of Non-Violence. He was a simple, pious man born on October 2, 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat to Karamchand Gandhi and Putlibai. Mohandas married Kasturba Makhanji at the age of 13. Mahatma Gandhi was the charismatic leader who played an instrumental role for India's independence from British colonial rule. Though he held no official political title or commanded any army, he derived his power from the conscious citizenry. With his unusual yet powerful political tools of satyagraha and non-violence, he inspired several other political leaders all over the world, including Nelson Mandela and Martin Luther King Jr. Mahatma Gandhi's education was a major factor in his development into finest person in the history. After attaining his basic education in India, he studied law in London, England. In 1893, Gandhi went to South Africa to work. This was considered as the most decisive experience of his life. There, he faced racial discrimination. He was thrown off a train at the railway station after a white man complained about Gandhi traveling in first class. Since then, Mahatma Gandhi decided to fight against any form of colonialism and racism with the weapons of non-violence. He called his non-violent protest Satyagraha. He returned to India in 1915 and joined the Indian National Congress, a political party that fought for independence from British colonial rule for attaining home rule or Swaraj. He advocated non-violence, civil disobedience and self-reliance. He led several mass movements against British, such as the Non-Cooperation Movement, the Salt March and the Quit India Movement. The Salt March in 1930 was Gandhi's first great battle for independence. He also campaigned for social reforms such as abolishing untouchability and empowering women. He was arrested and imprisoned several times by British authorities, but he never gave up his peaceful resistance. He inspired millions of Indians and people around the world with his courage and conviction. His doctrine of non-violent protest to achieve political and social progress has been hugely influential. He was assassinated on January 30, 1948 by a Hindu extremist Nathuram Godse who opposed his efforts to reconcile Hindus and Muslims. His life was dedicated to the ideals of truth, non-violence and love. His philosophies were pragmatic and far-sighted. He spent his life fighting to overcome modern forms of enslavement and oppression, namely caste oppression, religious hatred, gender oppression and poverty. His contribution to the freedom struggle of India was priceless, and country owes its independence partly to this great man. Rightly said by Mahatma Gandhi, "You must be the change you wish to see in the world." So that was it, friends. Thank you for your support. If you like the video, friends, please do give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and also do subscribe the channel if you have not yet subscribed it. Thanks for watching.